You think ChatGPT is just for writing emails and homework? Pff, that's like saying your iPhone is just for calls. Today, I'm going to blow your mind with 15 insane things ChatGPT can do. And trust me, number 7 will have you rethinking your entire life. Number 1, it can translate text in real time. Let's start simple. Say bonjour to your AI translator. Just type a phrase and boom, Spanish, French, Japanese, even Sanskrit. It's instant. Want to translate a love letter into Italian? Done. Want to decode an email from your French cousin? Too easy. Number 2, it can provide detailed Vedic chart or birth chart readings. Oh yeah, it can get mystical too. Drop your birth date, time, and location, and ChatGPT will whip up a Vedic astrology chart faster than you can say Rahu in the 7th house. Curious about your moon sign or future career path? It's got you. Number 3, it can work with Excel, Google Sheets, or Python. Drowning in spreadsheets? ChatGPT is basically your spreadsheet Jedi. It can write Excel formulas, debug Google Sheets issues, and even manipulate data using Python's pandas library. You ask, it codes. You copy, you win. Number 4, it can edit, change, or modify existing images. Yes, images. Upload a photo and say, remove the guy in the background. Boom, gone. Want a new sky? Add lens flare? Or make your friend's shirt pink? ChatGPT plus image tools can edit, enhance, and transform your pics like magic. Number 5, fix error messages. Error 403? Blue screen of the death? App not responding? ChatGPT doesn't just explain what the error means. It tells you how to fix it, step by step. It's like having a personal tech support agent who never gets tired or puts you on hold. Number 6, it can access real-time info with browsing. With browsing enabled, it can pull in live news, stock prices, weather, and even Reddit threads. Want to know if that product is in stock or what happened in the tech world today? It's your personal research assistant on caffeine. Number 7, it can also role play as a life coach or mentor. Feeling stuck in life? Talk to ChatGPT like you would a coach. It can guide you through tough decisions, anxiety, productivity slumps, or even help you rehearse for that job interview. It's part therapist, part Tony Robbins, minus the ticket price. Number 8, it creates charts and visualizations. Data nerds, rejoice. Ask it to plot a bar graph, line chart, or pie chart, and it'll generate the code, labels, and styling for you. Use Python, Google Sheets, or even inline diagrams. Great for reports, school, or just flexing at work. Number 9, step-by-step math solver. High schoolers and mathletes, listen up. It doesn't just give the answer, it explains every step. From basic algebra to calculus and linear algebra, you'll finally know why the integral equals that weird-looking S-curve. Number 10, ChatGPT can build a completely new brand from scratch. Startups, this one's for you. ChatGPT can create your brand name, tagline, mission, logo concept, and even a color palette and typography suggestions. A full brand kit ready in minutes. Creative agency? Who? Number 11, it breaks down legal and financial jargon. Contracts, leases, crypto tax rules. Yikes, but not with GPT. It can explain any legal or financial term in plain English. No lawyer required. Well, maybe double check before signing your soul away, but you get the point. Number 12, ChatGPT can act like any famous authors. Want your blog post to sound like Shakespeare, Hemingway, or maybe Stephen King? Just say the word. ChatGPT can emulate writing styles from poetic to professional, perfect for content, stories, or flexing on social media. Number 13, automate cold emails or outreach. Sending pitch emails, job apps, or sales DMs? Let GPT write, format, and personalize your outreach with just a few prompts. It'll even A/B test subject lines for better open rates. Work smarter, not harder. Number 14, explain multiple ideological views. Want to understand a debate from all sides? Whether it's capitalism versus socialism or pineapple on pizza, ChatGPT can explain different perspectives without bias. It's like having a debate team that never argues back. Number 15. It can be your personal medical guide. Not a doctor, but still helpful. Feeling unwell? Tell it your symptoms, and ChatGPT can analyze, suggest possible causes, and recommend general advice. It's not a doctor, but it can help you understand what might be going on and tell you when to see one. So yeah, ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's your translator, developer, coach, designer, and fixer all in one. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, sub, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tech superpower drop. We're AI Academy Hub, and now you know what ChatGPT is really capable of. See you in the next one.